Are you someone who is now in the following situation? Number 1. You know what you want, but you feel lost with so many options to choose from. Number 2. You feel confused about your goals in life. Number 3. You have just finished college and wondering if you should take up a job or study further. Number 4. You are someone who is stuck in a job that has no growth prospects and wondering if anyone can guide you in this situation.
Hi, my name is Prabha and I'm a certified career counselor and psychologist. In the last 10 years, I have counseled thousands of students, job seekers, and working professionals. I help them in identifying their right career path using simple and unique assessment tools so that they are happy in what they are doing and can soon become successful in their career. As a career guidance expert, I can help you in building your professional network, creating an impressive CV, and getting you into the right internships, which are the stepping stone to obtaining your dream job. As a career guide and your personal counselor, I can help you in identifying your career goals and setting up a clear career path so that you can achieve success in a short span of time.